So this thing's finally done and finally ready to paint. Now, I just went to Walmart and I bought 5 cans of black spray paint. I was kind of considering buying like a dark green or some kind of green color just to hopefully blend in with, because I kind of want to just shove this in the corner of the property and have it blend in. But I just went with black just because I'm more concerned about just having this thing not rust any more than it already is. So yeah, let's drag this thing outside, paint this thing, and finish this project so therefore I can finally get it out of my shop and finish this project. This thing's massive and it's taking up a lot of space in here. Alright, so it's finally painted and finished. Now, I was originally planning on filming the ending of this video with me dragging this outside and doing a time-lapse video of me loading this up with all the tubing and all the pipe that I have. But it being Saturday night, I need to edit this video tonight and upload this tomorrow. I'm probably not going to do that. I want to leave it inside for tonight and let the paint dry a little bit more, let it cure before I stick it outside. It may rain tonight. I don't want to As much as, I don't really care about the paint job, I more just, want to keep it from rusting anymore, so I want to make sure the paint has a good enough time to dry and cure before I stick it outside and stack it with a bunch of tubing and pipe. Now let me know what you guys think of the different editing style I chose for this video. Let me know if you guys think if I should continue with it or if I should go back to the original one. Let me know about that in the comments below. But anyway, I gotta end the video here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and have a nice day.